What's up, everybody? So today we're gonna install a 3060 into this mining rig, and we're gonna take you through the process of how we do it. Picked this up today on OfferUp and paid $750 for it. Why don't we just try to crack this open? Here we go, the one-handed business. Nothing harder than making a video. Alright, so the guy packaged this up for me. He pulled it out of his gaming computer and sold it to me as is. Said everything was cool, it would work, fire up. It's a beast. So it's a 3060. I didn't really comment on that, but I'm still grateful for the card. So a little dust there, you see. So he's been using it. Oh, fan spin action. Yeah. Cool. Okay, guys. So pull this out here. Yeah. Oh yeah. She ain't coming. I think he glued it. Oh my gosh, what did he do? I think he shoved it in here. What the heck? Oh, it's got the I/O shield thing. Okay. Here she is. So it looks like the 3060 Ti. I bet they're similar to the 3070 and 3080, 3090. The Gaming X Trios. They all look the same. I have a 3060 Ti here. Along with the other guys, 3070 Zotac, 3070 EVGA, 3070 MSI, and then a 3080 Asus Tough. See that one. So we'll try to keep it short and sweet here. I don't want to I want to make this about installing this. So anywho, this is it. She's gonna go in my gaming computer, actually. Sorry, I wasn't thinking there. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna swap it out with this 3060 Ti. Yeah, I know. So we're gonna swap those out. And yeah, all right, guys. Gonna hit this tab back here. There's a clip that locks into the PCIe. You can't really see it, but I got it there. Yep, I'll put that there, but for now I'm gonna show it here. Okay. So it's gonna go in the 16X, that top silver one. Just pop it on in there. Yep. Alright, you get the click, it's in. We want to put this screw in. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna turn it back on once the screen and everything boots up. So what we're going to do is find the 470.0 something driver. It's on somewhere here, Google. So let's type in NVIDIA 470 yeah, 0.05 driver. Probably not the best way. I could probably ask someone in Discord and get like a safer, more reliable, but let's just see what we got here. Download link. I'll go with the first one, can't go wrong. Happy mining, download link. Okay, let's see if this is verified good. Accept cookies. Sorry about the screen, guys, that's kind of annoying. Alright, so we're going to download, wait for that to do its thing, make sure it's all good. Okay. It wants to store files on this device. Okay. Sure. Okay. So, see what we got here. Nothing showing up down there. So, while we're doing that, I got it in the X16 slot. It needs to be there. I got the HDMI in the back. I got the driver downloading. And what else? I think that's all. Something else comes up, I'm sure I'll find out. But stick with me, guys. I'm going to move to the next scene here. So it's done downloading. It was rather quick. I think it was, what, 500 megabytes. So it's a RAR file. What the heck? What's that even mean? Let me find out what that's about. So I opened the RAR file and it's in WinRAR and it has this install folder. It's literally just like filled with millions of things, so I don't know what to pick. There's a couple I'm going to choose from and we'll just try them, but for first I'm going to uninstall the current drivers if I can. We'll find out how to do that here shortly. Okay guys, so we did the little trick here. Just go to uninstall, type in uninstall, scroll down to NVIDIA, double click that. We're going to uninstall. It's probably going to break something, but we'll see. Alright, uninstalling. What do we got here? Do you really want to remove NVIDIA GeForce Experience? Yeah. Wait, no. I want to install the graphics driver. Uninstall that. Yes. Okay. Do you really want to remove this software? Uninstall. Okay, we'll be back. So it's going to ask you to restart your computer after you uninstall it, and that's what we're doing right now. So we'll be back. Okay. I found one that looks promising here. We have setup.exe. We're going to try this first. See what happens. Okay, that's not good. Scroll up. Let's see what else we get. nvsetup.exe. Alright, nothing there. I don't know about that one, but why not? Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry guys. Let's see. Alright, I don't see anything in here, so I don't know. I'm gonna do a little more research and see what to do here. Oh! I think we crashed. No? I don't know what that was. Let's check in MSI, oh sorry, wrong thing. Where am I? GeForce. Let's see if it tells me what driver's installed. I doubt I installed it just by clicking that stuff, but 461. That's still saying I have that installed, but I don't think I do. So, anyways, alright guys, I'm gonna come back and let me know if you know how to do this. I'm gonna check online again. So I'm in Brandon Coin's Discord. Good guy, super knowledgeable, always on top of the latest stuff. But in his Discord here, you can see here, Brandon, I'll link it so you can check him out. Archive, download, we're going to download a new one, see what this does. It might be even the same one. Accept cookies, let's see, 470 game ready, Win 10 DCH. Let's see if that's what... No, different. I mean, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll be back after this is done. Alright, here it says must be PCI 3.0. This is in addition to the driver and the 16X slot. PCI 3.0, Gen 3, Express Gen to auto or highest supported. So this is the dummy plug, or the HDMI has to be plugged in. 23060s will work on the same motherboard. Okay. So, alright, we're gonna, still downloading, so I'll be back. Alright, so I think I got it. I downloaded it from his Discord. Let that do its thing, and shout out to Brandon for the link. All the guys in there, probably, who knows who put it up, but thank you. We'll just let this go. Oops. This usually takes a couple minutes. You'll get a flash on the screen. It's just doing its thing. So, what's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're having a good week. Nice day. Enjoying the sun. Catching some rays. Well, what do you think? You guys want to watch this or not? Oh. Alright. Close. I guess that's it. I don't know. We'll have to see. I could probably check by going here. Oh yeah, you have the latest GeForce 470. The latest and the greatest. Okay, so with that all being done, we're gonna test a little something here. And put the HDMI. Okay, HDMI is in. This should be good to go. Should just fire this puppy up. I'm mining on T-Rex and to Hive on. It just says Flexible US East, but I have it in my bat file that I'm going to Hive on. Alright, yeah. That's for the US West. The rest is all put in already. I just replaced the pool link right here. You'll need the port number 24443. That's the same for all the different areas or whatever they're called. And that's my wallet address. And then the rest again is already here. You just have to paste your wallet address and paste your you can find this on HiveOnPool.net or something. Just search HiveOnPool on Google, and you'll find this link. It's so big, sorry. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. So, flex pool, yeah, it's really not flex pool, but all right. So we're looking for like a 49, no 20s. I probably have to restart it though. So if we get a little something here, let's see. Loading up the dags. Got that dag. Yeah, diggity dag. Diggity diggity. All's good here. Got the blinking RAM sticks. Hope you guys are doing alright. Old kernel. Crusty kernel. Crusty corn. Come on, baby. She's doing her thing. Tapping in to the world. The internet. Come on, baby. What's the holdup? Oh yeah, 41. Okay. 41's not bad. So I think that's a sign. 149 watts. We gotta set that up. That's why we got some figures looking bad. Okay, I don't know what the clock is at. I don't have a 3060. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go online, and I think a good place to start is Mining Chamber. This probably isn't the best, but shout out to him anyways for posting this stuff, because he has clocks for like all the cards. Mining Chamber 3060 clock, Afterburner. And you should have a little something here. Mining Chamber. Just give me a ballpark, because I literally have no idea. 65 power limit. So you want to go up here, you want to type in 65, enter. Come back down here, we got a core clock at negative 250, so that's down here. Click that, negative 250. Okay, and memory clock is the next one, 1300. So this one can vary card to card. If we got a good card, it should hold up at 1300. If it's bad, you'll get some funky stuff. So if we click here, no black screen, that's a good sign. That means it's good. So let's wait to see what we get here. We got 38s, 38s, 38s. Let's see, the wattage should start to change here. It'll kind of take a minute, so in the meantime, I'm just going to look up 3060 Afterburner settings. Let's see what this guy's doing. Okay, so he's different. Negative 502. So I don't know. Tell you what, I'll be back. I'm gonna look at my, well, no, that won't work. Zero core clock. So these guys are all over the place. 130 watts. I'm at 110. Need to drop the core clock. Gigabyte 3060 clock magazine. Alright, so maybe we'll try this one. Zero core. So we're at 43. That's not quite up there. We can get 49. What is that, 46? Okay, we're climbing. See, we went from 39 to 43 to 46. If we get like a 48 or a 49, I think we're doing alright. We could probably tweak a little bit on the memory maybe and bring it up. The memory's at 1300. Oh, your fan too, you want to keep those low. You know, 70's cool. If you have it on auto, that's probably cool too. Especially on these 3060s, they're not crazy, so it won't get hot. At least that's what I'm told. 47, okay, so it went up just a hair. That's better. Whether it's gonna get up more, 47.55, so I think we're peaking out here. So that's 47. We'll wait for one more and see what it does. But I'm pretty sure we're just gonna barely move up. 47.68, so it's going up, but 110 watts, 36 degrees Celsius, which is cool. Okay, so I think we're done there. Let's try, for the heck of it, let's just try 0, and we'll try both. We'll go to negative 502 and 0. So it takes a minute to like reset and like get the clocks for the new clocks to set in. Yeah, so I don't have any resources, guys, I'm sorry. But if I do find them, I'll post them in the description. Use them or not, doesn't matter. 47.65, 69, so we went down. Not a good sign. We'll wait for one more, guys. Okay, we're going now. Let's get a negative 502 on this business. Negative 502, we'll check that. Let's see where we go. Come on, we want to get a 50 up in here. How do these guys get 50? How to push? I'm sure we just got to raise the memory. Like, that's probably what these guys are doing. I don't like getting them up too high. Like, you know, maybe like 85, 90%, like the max, which I don't even know what this would be, but 1300 to me is like maybe 75%. So 46.59. So I don't think it changed much from the negative 200. We'll see though. Wait, 46.59, 44. Okay, so she's booking down. Let's go back to mining chambers said negative 250. So let's do 250. I don't know, it's got a sweet spot, I guess. And let's do 1400. Please don't blow up. Okay, she's solid. Solid so far. If you guys are wondering, this is my like work desk. I don't even work here, but I call it my work desk. I have these assorted baskets with pens, a white keyboard, and a tablet that's never used, rarely used controller, a DVD player, and then my computer. I've had this for a couple months or something, maybe a year. It was like my first real built computer, and I went, you know, somewhat on it. It was like right when the 30 series cards came out. Well, not really. This was in like maybe, I don't know, February I got it, so it's fairly new. And then this is my other stuff here. That's my mining rig with 5 cards, and then that computer's mining for all those people out there. Uplexa, UPX, CPU mining. It's like getting, I don't know, maybe like 50 cents a day, maybe 30. But that's it. That's what I got going on around here. So I might be on something here, guys. I got this website here. So look down here at the core clock, negative 50. So remember we went to 502 and it like sucked. Went up to, I don't remember, but 250 positive, I think, and it sucked. And then if we kind of go in here, negative 50, I think we're getting better results. We're at 47.44. Was it like 46, 44? So as we change the clock to more around 0, it starts to get a little better. I changed the power limit up. It was like 68. I put it at 62. And we need the fan speed's cool. I'm not gonna worry about the 80. 1200. He put his at 1200, so if that's cool, that's cool. But so far mine's at 1200 and it's at 48 now, so we're going up. Come on, 49. I'll be happy with the 49. 50, I don't know if I really want to spend the amount of power. The efficiency here, you see the 398. I think like like that's not efficient. I'm pretty sure like the 500s is where a 3060 Ti is, and as you go up to like a 3080, it's in the 300s like this. So it depends on what you want. If you want to spend the power, pay the electric pennies, and get your hash up, it's up to you. But I don't know. I'm gonna let this one play out. I don't know. This thing barely makes money, I guess, but I mean, it's right now it's making close to $7. So if you're interested in buying one, now's the time. So we went down, and if we go to 1300, we'll see what happens. So sorry, this is like an overclocking video. If you guys care to leave, that's fine. I meant to just kind of make this video go through setting it up, so the rest is in the books. You guys want to stick around, I'll show you what this does. 1300, 48.2, so it went down. The power's at 122, which is considerably, it's okay. $48, so 49 is my goal, guys. Not leaving until I get 49. Might have to bring this up to 0 or something. 48, we're going down. So what do I do? So this is screwed up. So I wonder if I go like 1100. What's that do? This is for all those experts out there who know how to do this stuff. Yeah. Alright. Alright. 48.18. Alright, went up. Go down. Come on, baby. What's up? Alright. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. 1200. Okay. So, alright, 1200. Let's just see what 0 does. I think it was like defaulted at 0 when we started, but I wish this would be a little quicker in updating. Oh yeah, 4791. We're dancing. 93. Okay, we're peaking. We're peaking. We're peaking. What's it gonna be? I still want to see 49. I'm gonna type in Google how to get 49 mega hash on a 3060. Alright, we're at 48.24. Yeah, miles per hour. Throw down a window. Oh shoot. 17 hours strong. This guy's got it going on. Alright, what's the secret? See, he's at 50. That's crazy. What's he doing? 1370. Wait, is this him posting? Dosun. Okay, so he's saying 1375 mem and turn down the power. Oh, that's great. Okay, here it is. 0. Okay, so we're at 0. 76%. Oh, he's got that thing cranked up, so I'm at 72. We're gonna go to 76. Okay. 1375 mem, that's nuts. I was getting lower results when I went up higher, so. And so it's at 128 watts. So he could have a different card and everything could be different just from these. But we'll just, what? It didn't even let me do 1375. Okay, there we go. 47.9. So that setting was like 47.9. You're all waiting for the big 49. Let's. Oh, look at that. 48.32. Good jump. This guy was at 50, so if we can get 50, heck yeah. Look at these watts, man. Okay, 48.6. I think we're going to hit it. We're just going to kiss it. 129. That's so high, though. I mean, 390, whatever. That's like close to a 3080's efficiency. As far as like how much, yeah, you know. 49. Look at that. Right on the dot. So 1375, 0, and 76. So wherever you get the clocks, guys, just try them out, see what they do. But I don't think it's gonna be much higher. 129 watts. It's a, you know, it's up there. Shout out to Brandon Coin. What's up, dude? Holla. Oh, look at this. We're going up to the sky. Alright, well, whatever, guys. This is 49.56. All you lingerers here looking for that 50. Oh, no, we didn't get it. I don't know. I bet if you put the mem up, it would do something. Alright, we're just gonna blow it up here. 1425. Let's make a fire. Alright, so it went down before I did that. This is a Lenovo tablet. It's pretty nice. It's like super messed up with the internet. I don't know why it does, but with the Wi-Fi, it like constantly disconnects. I haven't messed with it. Like probably needs an update, but I'm pretty sure it was up to date. So Lenovo. Let me see. X75F, I think. Yeah, 75F. X705F. 49.8. We're climbing. How about that? I'm gonna blow up this card though. We peaked. Could we go higher? Should we go higher? What do you think? Yeah, for the content, man. For the YouTube. I don't think it's gonna make a difference. I think she's like topped out. She's hit her limit. She's reached the top, boys and girls. Yep. We're not 7.3. 7.3. 7.8. What do you guys think of that? Surprising. #76 power limit. 0 core clock, 1570. 39 degrees Celsius. Oh, there she is. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. This video has been 35 minutes long, so thanks for joining. And again, hope you have a great day, and see ya.